Welcome to our SLUBcast, your university library in 5 steps, getting your studies started with SLUB Dresden. These are the topics covered in this video. The SLUB is one of the largest academic libraries in Germany. Use is free of charge. You will now learn how to register your campus card as a library card. Please log into your ZIH account and register the card for use in the library. Once your campus card has been registered for the SLUB, you can borrow items from all SLUB libraries and access many digital resources and services via your SLUB login. The SLUB login initially consists of your university ID or email address and your date of birth. Now it is time to get to know our helpful 3D view for better orientation. In addition to the central library on Zellischer Weg, there are several branch libraries with different areas of focus. At some SLUB libraries, you can use the 3D view to get a first impression of the interiors of the building. Let's take a look at the central library in the 3D model. If you have any issues finding an item or questions concerning the library, the service staff will be happy to help you. The SLUB offers you numerous study spaces with and without PCs. For joint project work, you can book a group study room on our website using your SLUB login. Doing so is free of charge. These group study rooms are equipped with different technical equipment. A description of what equipment is available where can be found on our website. The books are shelved by subject and can be found on all levels in the aptly named open access areas. In addition, Level 0 contains the textbook collection with introductory literature to all subject areas and the Library of Things. All items in our collections can be found via the SLUB catalog. This video provides some more information on searching the SLUB catalog. Now you will learn how to borrow and return items at the SLUB. Books can be borrowed and returned either at the self-service machines or at the service desks. Please note that all other items, such as CDs or DVDs, can only be borrowed and returned at the service desk. Let's take a look at the SLUB account. You first have to assign yourself a 4-digit PIN in your user account in order to use the self-service checkout machines. When necessary, you can change your password in your SLUB account and find the loan periods of borrowed items as well. You can also extend the loan periods using the checkboxes, but only if no other user has reserved the item and if another extension of the loan period is possible at all. Your SLUB account furthermore lists your orders and reservations. It also shows which reservations and orders from the closed stacks are ready for collection and where they can be picked up. Let's now move on to the topic of Wi-Fi and other services offered by the library. Members of TU Dresden can use their ZIH ID to log into the EduRoam network. SLUB Wi-Fi is also available at all SLUB libraries. Please consult our website for more information on numerous other services, such as e-tutorials and workshops dealing with topics like literature management, writing consultation, and procrastination. You should also look out for offers that assist you with keeping a healthy study-life balance. For instance, the so-called active learning break with pause. We also offer individual consultations at our knowledge bar, if requested. We hope you'll find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.